15 best student-friendly cities in USA. So here the number one rank goes to Boston, New York, San Francisco, Los Angeles, Chicago, Philadelphia, Washington, Atlanta, San Diego, Pittsburgh, Seattle, Baltimore, Houston, Miami, and finally our favorite city, Dallas. How these cities are ranked? What makes this student-friendly city? University rankings, student diversity, desirability and lifestyle, employer activity, affordability, and student satisfaction. So guys, if you want to study in any of these cities, we are here to help you. Please visit our office or DM us.